Gua Sha versus hands. Which one do you choose? Facial massage is everywhere, but should you use a Gua Sha tool or just your hands? Let's break this down. Hey everyone, today's video is all about comparing Gua Sha with our hands while we want to do our facial massage. All of the massages that we are doing with Gua Sha, we can also do with our hands. But which one do you prefer? Tell me in the comments. So as you can see, you can massage your collarbones like this with Gua Sha and without them. Then on the neck sides, with your hands, you can kind of like pinch your neck slightly and go down. With your Gua Sha, you can go down your neck. For neck wrinkles, it's so easy. You're just going up your neck to the chin. And for double chin, if you're using your hands with your knuckles, go to the ears, and with your Gua Sha, just glide to the ears. For jawline sculpting, with this side of your Gua Sha going up to your ears and then coming down on the sides of your neck. For sculpting and depuffing, you can prefer Gua Sha because it usually reduces puffiness immediately. And if you don't have a Gua Sha, only with your fingers, go up from the chin to the ears and then come down on the sides of your neck. For jowls, it's super easy. With this side of your Gua Sha going up to the sides of the nose, and when using your hands with two fingers, go up to the sides of the nose and then outwards to the ears to depuff the face. While doing face yoga with hands feels more like a workout, doing facial massages with Gua Sha feels more soothing and relaxing. Nose massage is one of the easiest ones. There was a mosquito in the set and I had like no idea that the camera got it. Going outwards to the ears to depuff the nose. That's very important part of this exercise. Don't forget to do that, guys. Going to the smile lines, just unfold the wrinkles with your Gua Sha and then lift. And with your fingers, hold the skin on the lips with one hand and with the other, unfold the lines and lift upwards. Next, we have cheeks lifting massage. I think it's so easy that I don't need to even explain it. As you can see, just move upwards on the face. While Gua Sha is soothing and relaxing, it also might cause redness or bruising if done too harshly. So I think for beginners, better to start with your hands, touching the muscles and feeling them. For under eyes, be so smooth on the skin here and don't go too close to the under eyes area. Move outwards like this. Next movement is for hooded eyes. Make scissors with your fingers and move outwards over the brows. Mosquito is still here. On the whole, doing face yoga with hands strengthens and tones facial muscle. Also, when you are touching your skin, you're boosting collagen production in the skin. Next move is to lift the brows and forehead. With this side of your Gua Sha, go upwards on 3 parts of your brows. And with your fingers, again repeat the same thing like that, being so smooth and going to the scalp. Both techniques are great for natural beauty, but they serve different purposes. Gua Sha is more relaxing and instantly effective, while face yoga is a long-term sculpting method. I usually combine both for maximum results. Gua Sha for relaxation and face yoga for muscle toning. So what do you think now? Which one do you prefer, Gua Sha or your hands? Tell me in the comments. This was it for today's video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye.